Okay, hello and welcome to the new video. And we're in South Wales and we're at the Ffynone, as I've been told by locals, so hopefully that's right. We're not upsetting anybody. We don't upset our neighbours over here in Wales. Waterfall. We're up in the middle of a big forest, so hopefully this one could be quite spectacular. Still with Nick and Tom, and Nick's got his wellies on, so he's obviously planning on going in a bit deeper this time. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll move down to the water. This is the Finoni Falls. Okay, so we've actually made it down to Finoni Falls, which are straight in front of me there at the moment. I'll should have a little bit from the GoPro to put on to show you them. They're tucked right up in the rocks, but the actual image with all this driftwood down here in the foreground makes for a brilliant foreground on it all. And the image that I've actually got on camera looks really good. So if it comes out as well, I should be well happy. At the moment we're waiting for Tom. He's actually up a lot closer. He's missing out all the woods just during the fall. But Nick and I have both decided to go for the use the driftwood as a natural foreground. So hopefully we'll have a couple of really nice images from this one. It's been a worthwhile walk down. It's probably about half a mile walk, Nick, you reckon? Yeah, roughly. About half a mile max walk from the car park. Beautiful woodland and a nice easy walk to get down here. So if ever you're in this neck of the woods, literally, no pun intended, come on down here, it's well worth it. There's even a little bench behind the camera that's recording me there now, so you can sit, have your lunch, watch the waterfall and just enjoy the woods and the peace and quiet. So yeah, if this image is any good, I'll put it up for you now. And if you're interested, I'm going on 1/8 of a second at f9 on ISO 100. Enjoy. Okay, so I've just now zoomed in. I'm at 1/13 of a second on f9 ISO 100 still. Got the polarizer filter on, and I'm now in at about 26mm on the lens, and I'm on the Nikon 14 to 30 wide angle for the Z mount. Very nice lens, very sharp images coming out of this one, and I'm using the 5-second timer, and the images are coming out looking really nice. So fingers crossed. Very good. I'll put them up for you now. Tom?
Steering wheel. Oh yeah, stayed on. Thank God for that. Right. Where are we going then?
This is the next destination.
A great big field.
Yeah, big green lump. Green
Arrive at your
spot.
destination at 2:56 p.m.
Really?
That's Hendrick, yeah.
Yeah, this is mountain goat country, boys. Come on. Falls on the first one. Long way down.
That's not it.
If you're looking for autumn colour, there's your autumn colour. Okay, here we go. Up, up, and up. Holy sh! It's a near bloody vertical.
Steady, Fred. Come on. Yeah, keep going.
If you're looking at the ground, I apologise. It's a freaking steep steps.
The thing that we got to go back down again.
I know. That's the demoralising bit. Yep, here's a downhill bit. And you can probably make out through the trees, there is our target, Hendrick Falls. I will put the name up at the bottom of the main screen. Okay, so we've made it to Hendrick Falls. Quite a climb, as you'll probably see from the B-roll, to get down to here. And the worst bit is we've got to go back and do it all on the way back. But the falls themselves are pretty spectacular, and you can get in behind the falls as well. Well, I probably won't bother with that today. At the moment, I've got no filter or anything on the camera, but I will be putting one on in a moment. As a basic setting is 1/5 of a second, f9, ISO 100. Zooming in right in on the falls and using a 2-second timer. It's like 5-second timer, not 2. Just to eliminate any movement whatsoever. Initially the images are looking really, really nice, so I'm going to try a bit of bright up on the top corner, top left corner as I'm looking at it of the fall. So I'm going to stick a grad on and see if I can pull that back in, and maybe also put the polarizer back on as well. So I'll give that a try and I'll let you know how we get on. Okay, so I've added the polarizer and a 0.9 soft grad onto the front of the lens to take off all the glare and the brightness up in the top left hand corner of the waterfall. I'm now shooting at 1/1/6 of a second at f9 ISO 100 and the 5-second timer, and that image is looking really nice. So I'm just going to quickly do portrait image of that one, and I think I'm done here then. That's quite happy with that. Right, what I'm going to do while we're waiting for them is I'm going to zoom back out to, what am I on now, 20mm. I'll do it on the same picture on 20mm, so I get lots of foreground of all the fallen trees here and a bit of the bracken right in front of me, and a little bit of sky in there as well. So as the sky's creeping in, I'll just drop that down a bit more. That's better, and that's just going to make that come down a wee bit more. So there, moving the filter down a little bit for the sky is now brought down to 1/1/3 of a second, f9 ISO 100, and they're very nicely coming out. Let's get this picture really quickly, there's nobody in the way. Okay. I've now got a 1 second exposure time setting, and just for the record to take home, 1.3 of a second. And I'm done at Hendrick Falls. That's it. I'm quite happy with that. So a long hike to get down here, but well worth it with the final images. I might just try, while there's nobody else there, quickly do one more in landscape as there's nobody behind the falls to edit out. Nice and quickly. Might as well do it while I'm here. Can't do it once I get home.